Now I bring to you the update on Motilal Oswal Financial Services. This is a stock where Citigroup has bought a large sum of shares. Today is precisely 2 lakh shares amounting to 14 crore rupees. You can see here the strategic investment has sparked renewed investor interest and market buzz around the stock. During yesterday's stock, the stock reached an intraday high of 744, which shows the 1% rise from its previous close. Significant block deal took place involving shares of Motilal Oswal, average price of 680 rupees per share, amounting to a total transaction of 13.81 crores. The seller in this deal was Morgan Stanley Asia Singapore Private Limited. So, as of 24th April 25, company showed steady growth across financial and operational metrics. Assets under advice stood at 5.5 lakh crore, up 33% year-on-year. Net operating revenue rose 31% to 5,161 crores. Profit after tax increased by 31% to 2,016 crores. Treasury investments were at 7,730 crores, 26% higher, and net worth grew by 27% to 11,079 crores. The lending book expanded 7% year-on-year to 12,114 crores with return on equity of 25%. The company serves over 1 million active NSE clients, up 15% year-on-year, and has a total client base of 12.8 million, reflecting an 83% rise. So, disclaimer: all investment opinions and recommendations are solely those of the respective experts, broking houses, and rating agencies. The views do not reflect any personal opinion or advice. Stock market investments carry inherent risk of financial loss. Investors must exercise their own judgment and conduct proper due diligence. The author bears no responsibility for any losses arising from the decisions made based on this article. It is strongly recommended you consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. We'll go on. 2% up today. This is the logo of the company. We've been through some of this information. Has a network spread across 550 cities and 2,500 towns. Business locations operated by partners and 1.6 lakh customers. 740 price, high of 1064, stock P of 32, book value 119, dividend yield 0.7%, return on equity 21%, face value 1 rupee. Company has delivered good profit growth 48% over the last 5 years. Company has maintained a healthy dividend payout of 20.5%. Company's median sales growth is 17% in 10 years. Then comparisons: Motilal Oswal to Nuvama Wealth, Angel One, Prudent Corp, IIFL Capital, Monarch Network, Geojit Financial Services. Then you have sales. You can see the sales are erratic and on a downward trend. Expenses also pretty high. Profit after tax was at a minus of 27 crores. Overall, you can see sales year on year have been growing well, so which is a good positive sign. Overall, you can see there has been a good jump in the net profit uh, in the last 2 years, almost doubling from the previous 2 years. Earnings per share, you can see 23 rupees for the last 12 months, 25 rupees for the previous 12 months. Sales growth 18%, profit growth -7%, stock price growth of 28%, which is very good. Return on equity 21%, which is so far good. However, the average has been 22 for the last 5 years, and reserves have grown by 1,050 crores, which is a good positive sign. And borrowings have increased as well, which is something that the company would need to keep in mind. Overall, other liabilities have reduced, which is a good sign. That's about it, friends. Debtor days 126. Working capital days have been good in the past. However, this year hasn't been that great, though still has a minus of 263 days. Return on capital employed is 18%. Promoter shareholding is 68%. FII is 6%. DI is almost 6%. Public it is at a 19%, 19.8% holding. So again, the higher the public holding, the higher chances of the stock price to fluctuate, and as well as high volume being traded, which would again suggest that if the market sentiment turns negative, the stock would be in the oversold zone and there would be a huge price fluctuation as well. So something that you should keep in mind while making your investment and portfolio decisions. So thank you for watching, friends. We'll connect with another video tomorrow. Please share this with your friends, family and associates so they could benefit from this news as well. Thank you. Take care.